Have you ever been stuck somewhere and didn't know how to find the right way to get out when you went climbing? This video will show you how to use your phone to import a GPX file into your Garmin device and use it to navigate. Let your Garmin device help you with your climbing. In this video, we will use iOS to demonstrate. To import a GPX file, open Garmin Connect. Download a GPX file you want on your phone. Share and select Copy to Connect. If you can't import a GPX file into Garmin Connect, you can try to import into Garmin Explore first, then import the file into Garmin Connect from Garmin Explore. Select a course type. Here we select Other. Scroll up and select Course Name. Rename your course and select Save. Now you can decide if you want this course to go public or keep in private. Tap the three dots on the upper right side. Select Send to Device. Choose a device you want. When the sync has done, you can find this course on your watch. If you want to use a GPX file to navigate, open an activity. Here we choose Climb to demonstrate. Hold the up key to enter the settings. Select Navigation. Select Courses. Select the course you imported. Select Do Course. Now your course has been added into your activity. Press the action key on the upper right side. Your watch will start the navigation for you. Now you don't have to worry about getting lost in the mountain and enjoy your climb. If you want to know how to estimate the altitude and the distance while climbing, or know how to import a GPX file from your computer, please watch these two other videos.